Good morning, it's Bill Mascas with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today I would like to show you this 2017 Sea Ray 270 SDX. The boat has been kept high and dry. There is no bottom paint. It's a block hull with the graphics on it. Beautiful combination. It has the tower on it, 300 Mercury Verado with about 160 hours. And without further ado, I'm going to jump on the boat and show you the rest. Starting at the swim platform, pretty good size. You can certainly walk with freedom all around the motor. Very nice lounge with storage underneath. You have a shower head right by the aft gate, the transom gate, with a cooler storage right underneath it. Your fuel intake, charging ports over the other side, a flagpole, and a ski pole right on the back of the transom. You have the retractable side step. So this one moves all the way to the side when you don't need it, but it gives you two-step option to jump over to a restaurant or a floating dock. Nice wraparound seating with a bow table. The bow table is removable. I'm sorry, the cockpit table is removable. Storage all over underneath those seats. You can see the bimini gives great coverage all the way back to the aft seat. The passenger seat as well as the helm seat are flippable, so when you're not driving the boat, you are expanding a lot the social area. Same thing with this seat. You have the 8-inch Raymarine with the premium stereo, custom spotlight, the windlass controls and all your lighting controls, including the trim tabs, VHF, digital throttle for the Mercury. Over here you have a vacuum flask head, great size. You can comfortably use it, and there is also a sink, and the faucet pulls out to double as a shower. Going to the bow, you have a bow table that is installed right at the stainless steel attachment. Very nice, comfortable seating all around, or lounger. And then all the way to the front, you have the windlass with the galvanized anchor, chain and rod. The boat has boat covers. Boat covers, and also it has a full enclosure for the bimini, which is quite unusual. It was a custom option that the previous owner chose to install. The motor only has about 160 hours, as I said. This concludes this short presentation. This is Bill Mascas in MarineMax in Stuart. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 203-808-5088. Thank you and have a great day.